welcome back, you guys. I'm finally doing some weekly meals again. Today is Tuesday. I was gonna start yesterday for Monday, but that was the first day of back to school and I thought I was gonna be able to do it, and by the end of the day, well, by the time dinner time came, I was already wiped out. So we just ordered some pizza. It was 103 today and yesterday, and I'm walking my daughter to school now and picking her up. So it was at like peak of the heat when I was picking her up, and I'm telling you, when I came back, there was no way I was gonna cook dinner, yesterday. And today it was the same thing. It was 103, but I have to do it. I have to cook dinner because it's just gonna cost too much to buy food, especially because we just came back from Vegas last week. We were there for like a whole week and we ate buffets 3 times. I've been eating so much this summer, so unhealthy actually. So today we're gonna do a taco salad, and I'm just gonna try to do it simple. I already bought some like pico de gallo made already. Usually I make it, but I gotta get back to the groove again. I gotta get back to back to school groove and all that stuff. I'm like all out of whack right now, and it's only the second day, so hopefully by next week I have my schedule like all together and all that stuff. But I have not given you guys an update about me selling my home and all of that stuff. So one of the reasons why I wanted to sell my home was actually because of Lily's school. So I don't know if any of you guys remember, but Lily almost had pneumonia. She had very bad bronchitis and she was out of school for about 2 weeks, and that was the doctor's order. They said she cannot go back to school, until she's better. And even when she did go back to school, she couldn't even do PE. For like 2 weeks, she couldn't do PE. So what happened was I'm like the type of person that talks like all over the place, but 3 days out of the year, we did go on vacation. So she missed 3 days out of the school year, which obviously I didn't know that she was gonna get sick. This spring was really bad, with like allergies and all of that, because in April was when she missed almost 2 weeks. So this spring was super bad with the pollen and all of that. So she got like really bad. Both of my kids, actually, Jessica, my oldest, and then Lily, my youngest, got it really bad. And so they told me that they weren't gonna allow her to go back to that school. She's not even from that district. When I first moved here, I took her to a different district. I had to get like an inter-district transfer, and they said we're not accepting her anymore because she missed school. Okay, I had to mix the meat really quick. So they wouldn't let her back because of that. They said even kids like with asthma and all of that stuff, they never miss school. So why did Lily have to miss so much? And Lily's asthma is not under control yet, like just yet. We're still testing out medicines, and so they're like, all you could do is do an appeal. So I went and I did an appeal. They denied me. So then I went to the county and I did another appeal and they denied me. So that was the reason why I wanted to move, because I wanted her to go to a better district than the one that I live in. So that was why we were gonna sell the house. We ended up getting like 6 offers, but some of them were low, some of them were high, but then they wanted us to pay all of the closing. And then we ended up discovering something wrong with the house, which is gonna cost us $10,000 to fix. So every single offer asked us to pay that, which we couldn't do it. So we're gonna do that little by little. So we decided just to stay. And to be honest, I was getting really sad having, to sell my house. It needs a lot of work. It's an older house. It's a fixer-upper. But there's just something about this house that I really like. It's a Cape Cod house. So it's really pretty outside. And well, not right now. Right now, the summer just like dried up all the grass. So we're just gonna wait for now. So Evelyn started a new school. Lily started a new school. Jessica starting college. So I was a little nervous, like, she's gonna start a new school. I was so nervous about it. But so far, I mean, it's only the second day, but so far they're doing good. Lily made 2 friends already, and her teacher's really nice. Evelyn had 2 friends that already went to that school. So at least, she has somebody there. But that's pretty much the update now, is we're gonna stay here and, have to fix But we found out was wrong. We knew we had that problem, but we didn't know it was that bad. So now that we know it's that bad, like little by little, we need to just address it. But now I'm back to cooking again. I took a long break because it was summer and it was just really, hectic. Doing a lot of activities and things. We ate out a lot this summer. I didn't even cook that much this whole summer. And then especially because we were having open houses and people coming to see the house. So that's another reason why we ate out a lot too, because we were gone or we had to, wait for the people to come and all that stuff. But I'm actually happy that that's over for now, so that I could just, focus on my house again, my regular routine, and, coming back to cooking. I know that was like such a long intro. I got some ground turkey right here. I'm just cooking that up. And then over here, I had chopped up just a little bit of the red peppers and a little bit of onion. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this garlic. I'm gonna make a quick little simple guacamole. I just put lemon, salt, and some garlic powder in. I'm gonna chop up some of these green onions. So I'm gonna put that on top of the salad. Okay, so I put some romaine lettuce. I put some of the taco. I put a little more taco seasoning than I showed you guys 1/4. I did like another half of 1/4 because it just didn't quite have enough flavor. So I did that. And then I have some sour cream. I have a little bit of pickle right here that I bought at the store. And here's the guacamole. I add a little bit more salt than you guys seen, just like a little pinch to that. And you guys seen I crushed just the regular cheese, Doritos, some Mexican cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and then I'll top it with some green onion. And there is our dinner for Taco Tuesday. We're just having it in a salad form. So I love this. Brian loves this. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in. For Wednesday's dinner, I am making like a copycat Waba Grill kind of dish. So down here, I just have the rice. I'll show you guys. I have the rice. I put a little bit of olive oil. What is that? Oh, it's some broccoli. I thought it was something else. I was scared for a second. Okay, so I have the rice down there. Right here I have a bag of mixed frozen veggies. So it's just the carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. And then I put some fresh cabbage inside there. So I love this rice cooker, because the top is a steamer. So that's like perfect all-in-one thing here. And I have some chicken right here, and I just seasoned it with some of this Lori's seasoned salt. So I'm already cooking it, and I put it frozen. I forgot to take it out, so I put it on here frozen. Do notice when I cook it frozen, it comes out a little more juicier and moist in the inside than when it's not frozen. I learned that. This is gonna be a treat for Jessica and Brian because they love shrimp. So I'm also, after when I'm done with the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that shrimp in there. I'm gonna season it with the Lori seasoned salt also, and then I'm gonna go ahead and top it with some teriyaki sauce. Dinner is ready and it looks so good. So there's some white rice. I steamed the cabbage and the veggies. I have the cauliflower, broccoli, and some carrots. And then I have the chicken here. I put some shrimp with some teriyaki sauce, and I topped it with avocado and green onion. And then I just warmed this up, so whoever wants to add some on top, they can. So this is our dinner tonight. It's a copycat Waba grill for Wednesday night. We are back to Spaghetti Thursday. So when I was in Vegas at my grandmother's visiting her, she makes her own meatballs. She doesn't like anything ground. She doesn't like to buy. She says she don't trust any kind of ground anything in the stores. And she grew up always making her own ground meats. So she uses, actually, she doesn't have a grinder either. She uses one of these, but hers is bigger. I'm hoping mine isn't too small. Today I'm gonna do some chicken meatballs. So I cut up in pieces, you guys can see here, some chicken breast. I have an egg in here. I have cheese. I have some of these breadcrumbs. I have about 1/3 of this breadcrumbs, and then I put a good like teaspoon and a half of this garlic. I put chopped up onions. It was about 1/4 of an onion. And this is some spinach, like frozen spinach. And I'm trying to think what else I put in there. And she puts bouillon, but she puts tomato bouillon. I don't have that. So I'm just gonna put some regular chicken bouillon. And I'm just hoping that this is going to all blend up. I'm browning the meatballs. I browned it a little bit too much. These ones look pretty good for here. I flipped those, but these ones were the ones like in the middle of the skillet. So the only thing it's missing is the chicken bouillon, because my daughter made some fideo earlier and she used the rest. So I just ended up putting salt. So I don't know if it's gonna come out. Well, obviously it's not gonna come out exactly like my grandmother's because I don't have that ingredient. So we're just gonna do it like this, but I will tell you, it does smell really good, these meatballs. I added just some regular spaghetti sauce. I didn't make my own today, but even though I put regular spaghetti sauce, I do add sugar, garlic powder, and I add some red pepper flakes. We like it to have that little bit of spicy. I don't put too much. And then today I'm going to put some cream cheese. So I'm only gonna put a tablespoon of it in there. I messed up. I was supposed to put this in here without the meatballs, but it's too late now. So I'm just gonna mix it in there on this corner, and then once it like completely mixes together, then I'll go ahead and like mix it throughout the whole thing. I've never put cream cheese in the sauce before. I've seen people put ricotta cheese, but my grandma puts cream cheese and it actually was really good. So I learned so many things from her. I love to learn as much as I can. She's 83 years old. So every time I go, I like her to teach me something so that I can take that, you know, like forever, and then, you know, pass it down to my kids. So now that it's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and lower it and cover it, and then let those meatballs cook inside. Got my salted water boiling, and today I'm gonna be using this spinach spaghetti. I just wanted to eat a little more healthier. A long time ago, well, actually a long time ago, I used to eat so unhealthy, and then I ended up eating really healthy and having my whole family eating that way. And now, I mean, we kind of eat like a balanced diet, but I'm trying to go back to at least a couple nights or something, you know, a week to have a little more healthier for my kids and my husband and me. So I'm going to use this spinach spaghetti, and my grandma made this too. And this spinach spaghetti is actually pretty good. You can't really tell the difference either, just like the other ones that I've used, like the vegetable ones. It's really good though. So I'm going to cook this up. And Evelyn said, make it like this every time. She likes it. So I haven't tasted it yet, but she said, and Evelyn's my pickiest kid, so if she thinks that it's good, then it's probably
really good.
It is?
The noodles taste like regular noodles.
They do, huh? Yeah, they do. I think kids will be scared of it because it's green, but it tastes regular, and I just think they're getting more nutrition, you know, with these type of noodles. And I just put some Parmesan cheese on top. And how's the sauce? Because I put cream cheese in the sauce. It's good?
I want it to be more spicy, but it's good.
Really? Mm-hmm. Oh, we put some more pepper flakes on it. Here is our dinner for Spaghetti Thursday. Today is Friday, and I'm so happy that it's Friday. Today I'm going to be making some salsa verde with some white rice. I'm going to make it with some pork, potatoes. I'm going to show you everything I have that I'm using like for it. So I got some olive oil here already heating up. This is pork. It's like the cushion. They're like the thick pieces for stew. I just cut it up smaller, so those are going to be like more tender and soft. I have about 1/4 of an onion there, and then in here I put some hot water with some beef bouillon because I have no more chicken. I usually use chicken with everything. It's fine to use any kind of bouillon with any meat that you're going to use. So I'm trying to like dissolve that. And I'm going to be real lazy today, and I'm going to use the salsa verde mild sauce instead of making my own. So this is only like 69 cents, so I think that's a good deal. It's cheaper than making it fresh, but fresh is obviously, you know, better for you than have it in a can. Then I'm gonna put some sea salt, black pepper, and some garlic. And then I gotta chop up some potatoes too. So I made some white rice with it, and then here it is. It's all done. And it's like the sauce is not as watery as it was. Now it's like thickened up. So I just put some sauce over the rice, and that is it. That is our dinner for Friday night. Today is Sunday, so yesterday we ate out. So every Saturday we're going to eat out now. So me and Brian had like a dinner date, and then I just bring something like home before that for the kids. So today I made some corn on the cob, some barbecue chicken in the oven, some mashed potatoes. Evelyn went ahead and finished it off for me, and it tastes good. And this is not gravy. This is actually the juice from the chicken with the barbecue sauce. They like it like that. So this is our dinner for Sunday night. I'm glad that I'm back on doing my weekly dinners. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.